Ever feel like your important contacts are lost in the digital shuffle? Let's dive into your Gmail and uncover the simple, yet powerful, way to find and manage all your precious contacts. First, head over to your Gmail inbox. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a grid of 9 small squares. Those are your Google apps. Click on that grid. From the menu that pops open, look for the contacts icon. It usually looks like a little silhouette of a person. Click on that, and you'll be taken directly to your Google Contacts page. Now, the magic happens right here at the top, the search bar. This is your go-to for instant contact retrieval. Start typing the name of the person, or even part of their email address you're looking for. As you type, Google Contacts will intelligently filter your list to show matching results. Click on the contact's name that appears in the search results, and you'll see all their stored information, their email address, phone number, and any other details you might have saved. But it's not just about finding. You can also add new contacts easily. Look for the Create Contact button, usually on the left side of the page. Clicking this opens a form where you can enter all the essential details for a new contact. Fill in their name, email, phone number, and even add notes or their address. Found someone you no longer need to communicate with. With a contact selected, you'll see options to edit their details, or even delete them to keep your contact list clean and organized. For even better organization, you can create groups. On the left-hand side, you'll find an option to create new labels or groups. Drag and drop contacts into these groups to categorize them for easier management. Think of it like setting up folders for your important people. Mastering your Google Contacts is a game-changer for staying efficient and organized. Subscribe for more tips to streamline your digital life.